माँ के लिए अनमोल पल होता है जब वो नन्ही सी जान को अपने बच्चे के रूप में पाती है। माँ की आंखें नन्ही सी कली को गुलाब बनकर सुवासित होने तक के अनेक भावनाओं से भरकर उसे उल्लासित करती है और उसी क्षण से वो उठते बैठते सपनों की दुनिया में अपने युवराज को दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा नवाब बनता देखना चाहती है। हसीन पल जब सुंदर सौगात से प्रफुल्लित करते हैं, ऐसे में माँ अपनी ममता की छाँव में अपने वात्सल्य को निहार कर यही स्वप्न देखती है कि दुनिया की हर जीत तुम्हें नसीब हो।
Okay, Manvir, this is a chessboard. Okay? When we keep this chessboard, we have to see this right. Right side block, we come into the right side. Okay? Come in. Yeah, come in. What happened? Why you are not going to play game? Okay, he like to play chess. Okay, we'll just stand here. I'm just coming, na? Okay? Don't do anything. Just play.
क्या कर रहे हो? Let's go out and play. No, I want to play chess. Chess? Isn't it boring? No, chess is an interesting game. It sharpens our mind. This is a thinking game. Oh, it seems interesting. Let me also play. नहीं, ये गलत चाल है. मुड़ा ढाई चलता है. ऐसे. तुम्हारा फेवरेट मूव कौन सा है? E4. And what do you mean by E4? I develop my queen. G4, I develop my bishop, I develop my knight, I go for castle, and my pieces are active. Wow, that's great. ये तो बताओ, who is your inspiration? My Dada Richly और Prakash. And who is your favorite chess player? Grandmaster Vishwanath Anand. माधवेंद्र, तुम ग्रैंडमास्टर कब बनोगी?
we are happy and proud that one of our students, Madhavendra Sharma, has won a silver medal in an international chess competition, Western Asian Chess Championship. He has made all of us proud, very especially his family members and the school. And moreover, the entire nation should be proud of this wonder kid. He is only 8 years old and he has already won 2 national championships. And we are sure that he will achieve many more medals and awards in the coming future. I sincerely congratulate him. I also congratulate his father and his grandfather who identified his talent so early in life and encouraged and motivated him to win many matches already. I wish Madhavendra all the very best in his future life and all the support to achieve many more heights in the years to come. Thank you.
I remember the day when the school first time felicitated Madhavendra. He was a KG student, and what was adorable about him was he brought a garland along with him and he desired to be garlanded on the stage on that day. So today's felicitation also we have taken care that he is garlanded. All the good wishes to Madhavendra.
One small kid, he came into the secondary lines. So I thought by mistake he came this side. So I said, "Beta, your lines are that side. Please go and join your line." So he remained there. And then again second time I said, "Beta, please go. KG lines are there." He was looking at me. I was wondering why this boy is not listening to me. So one more participant who came to get the prize, he said, "Sir, he's a national champion of chess and he came to receive the prize." So I was surprised to see his height and then I said, "Okay, go ahead, champion." So wish you all the best, Madhavendra. Good luck.
गर जुनून हो सर पे तेरे और अंतर में हो विश्वास, फिर ठोकर और ठुकराने का होगा कहां तुम्हें एहसास। मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो, मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो, झुकना होगा दुनिया तुमको, विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो, अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो।